Welcome to How to Basic Apex. Today we are going to talk about the wizard page in Oracle Apex and what you can do with them. Go to your application, click on Create Page, and select Wizard. Enter a name. Here you can decide the number of pages you want to add and use. You can change this later. Then click Create. Now you have a wizard. You can use this for example, a payment screen. You can manage the pages in the application menu. Here you can add content or change where the page goes when next is clicked. For this, go to the third tab on the left. Here you can see the target page for when the next button is clicked, but you can also change it to a different button or page. The page looks like this with the middle top navigation menu between the pages in this wizard. To add a page, go to the plus icon and click Copy Page. Click Next if the page is in this application. Check that the selected page to copy from is correct. Click Next. Click Next again. Then change the text and the page number. If we refresh the page, we will see nothing. To fix this, go to Shared Components. Select Lists, and go to the created wizard, in my case Test 1. Click on Create List Entry, enter a name, and add the page. Click Create List Entry. Then apply changes. Go back to the application. Here you can see that the step is added. You can also change the order of the pages by changing the sequence number. This is how you create wizards and add more pages if necessary. If you want to add a page in the middle, it is suggested to copy step 2 because this page already has the button for switching between pages. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We also have other instruction videos like this one on our channel at How to Basic Apex, so subscribe to stay updated and like the video if it was helpful.